Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we're working on the core. We only have 5 exercises for today, and you're gonna be using one single heavy dumbbell. Pick a weight that'll allow you to do between 8 and 15 repetitions per exercise. It's only 5 sets, so it's an actual core workout. You know, you work your core just like you work anything else. If you go to the gym, you might do 5 or 6 sets per body part. We're doing 5 sets for core. There are 5 different exercises, a little bit of variety. They're all gonna be tough. You're gonna see me fail. We have to take these to within 2 or 3 repetitions of failure. Remember, that's important to build that muscle and build that strength in that core. If you actually want a visible core, that's a different conversation. That's a diet conversation. So let's build some strength in our core today, and I'll see you guys in about 5 seconds. All right guys, welcome back. Down on the ground, weighted sit-ups. Preview should be up on the screen right now. Single arm. I'm going for a right arm first, as many as I can. These are gonna be tough, so I don't expect to do more than 5 or 6 repetitions. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1. Don't have to count. Stay in control throughout the entire movement as much as you can. Keep it up, as many as you can. Remember, 2 or 3 repetitions of failure. That's coming soon for me. I'm gonna do 1 more. All right, that's set number 1 done. And as always, I like resting, standing up. I don't like resting just laying on the ground. Get up whenever I can. Whew. I don't even know how many reps I did. It doesn't really matter how many reps I've done. I'm not counting them today. As long as I went, like I said, really close to failure. That's what we should be shooting for. That's what I'm gonna go on the other side in a few seconds. So that was my right side. I'm gonna switch it up to the left side. You guys do the same. Switch it up to the other side that you just did. And that's gonna be it. That was exercise number 1. This is gonna be set in exercise number 2. Remember, we're only going for 5, so it's gonna be relatively quick, but you have to challenge that strength and challenge that core. All right, having said that, let's get down on the ground. Dumbbell in the other hand. All these exercises I film in 1 take, so sometimes you know what? I can't sit up even when I try, but we're gonna give it a good shot. Are you guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Yeah, a lot easier. It was a lot easier on the other side. And I'm already tired. 2. Keep it up. Stay with me. Heavy dumbbell, remember. Challenge that core. Challenge those muscles. That's it. That's all I got. Whew. All right, that's 2 exercises now. Remember, that's exactly what we're working on. We're pushing ourselves today, even though we're only doing 5 or 6 repetitions. That's perfect, actually. You want to build that strength, you want to build that muscle, and like I said, it'll just develop all over the place, and then you'll be stronger and better for it. That's the connection point between your upper and lower bodies. That's what we want to keep on getting it stronger. Work that core. All right, 2 exercises down. We have 3 exercises. 3. That's it, 3. 3 exercises left. All right, next one. Preview should be up on the screen. Up and overs. If you can get your legs up in the air, off the ground, great. If you can't, also great. Do the best that you can. Let's get down on the ground for this one. Face the camera here. If your legs are down here and you're doing this, perfectly fine. If you can get those legs up off the ground, more power to you. I'm gonna try to do it off the ground and not fall over. You guys ready to go? Legs up and let's go. Gotta find that balance. Keep it up. Keep going with me. That's it for me. Whew. All right, exercise number 3, done. We're moving right along. Like I said, today's workout, a little unorthodox maybe, because most of us, including me, are not used to using heavy weights when we're doing core. Nothing wrong with it. Shock that body a little bit, lift something heavy with your core once in a while, right? All right, you guys ready to go for exercise number 4? You want to need a few more seconds. Let's take 10 more seconds, relax, shake those arms out. If you need a drink of water, grab a drink of water right now. It's a good time to do it. And we'll get done and go move on to the next exercise. Previews up on the screen. If you can get those knees off the ground, boom, big thumbs up. If you can't, that's all right. Don't do it now, but work on it a little bit at a time, even without any weights, just in being in that position. All right, so knees come off the ground on this one. And try to keep the body, it's gonna be hard, as stable as possible. So get down on all fours, then get up on your toes. So you're up like this, and you're gonna slide that dumbbell over from one side to the other. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Try not to move anything but your arm. Challenge that core. Slide that dumbbell over. I got 2 more in me. Whew. That looked a lot tougher. Actually, that was a lot tougher than I thought it was going to be. My front started to come loose. All right, that's 4 exercises down. I'm out of breath. That was a tough one. Looks easy. It's not. 1 exercise left. All right, previews up on the screen once again. For the last one, let's get down on the ground. It's basically a pullover to a toe touch with a dumbbell. Nice and easy. I want to make sure I don't hit anything. Always a challenge in this space, but we'll do the best that we can. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty good. Enough room for me. All right. Pull over to your leg. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. And the other one. Sit as high as you can. There you go. Nice and easy and slow. Keep going. Got a few more in me. And that's it. Well, we are done. Thanks for joining me today for After 50. Like I said, this was a little unorthodox because at least for me, I didn't feel the usual burn that I feel in my core because we did not do 1,000 repetitions. We did probably 50, 60 reps maybe altogether, probably maybe a little bit less. But you know what, work on that strength and work on that core. You don't always have to feel the burn to actually work those muscles. Anyway, I've talked enough, guys. Thank you for joining me today for After 50. My name is Paul. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. Make sure you come back for more challenging workouts right here from the basement, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.